OnePlus undoubtedly has been one of the leaders in terms of innovation in the smartphone market. As expected, OnePlus 8 is coming and is on the verge of bettering its predecessor. OnePlus follows a strict schedule and commits itself to deliver 2 quality devices each year. OnePlus has already officially announced the OnePlus 7T in India this September, while 2 of its devices, the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro, is available in the market for last 5 months. Now, it has become a norm that before the launch of a device, there are various leaks and rumors which gives a rough idea about the features of the product. So here we are going to discuss about the expected features and specifications of the upcoming OnePlus 8. Excited? So let's get started. The design. OnLeaks, which is one of the reliable sources of leaks in the smartphone market, has a reputation of leaking the phones ahead of their release. For instance, they shared the iPhone 11 Pro design and features 8 months before the release of the device, which came out to be accurate. So we can rely on their leaks, which he has shared in collaboration with cashkaro.com. They had shown the expected features or the expected changes which might take place in the OnePlus 8. According to the leak, the OnePlus 8 will skip the infamous water drop notch in favor of a punch hole display cutout at the upper left corner in which the front camera will be situated. It also showcases a curved display which we haven't seen in the core OnePlus smartphones. The back looks pretty similar to the existing OnePlus 7 Pro, which is quite expected as OnePlus does not make major changes designed within 2 generations of their smartphones. Moving towards these specifications, the recent leaks have suggested that the size of OnePlus 8 display will be around 6.5 inches, which is quite similar to the OnePlus 7T, which has a display of 6.55 inches. The back part of the device looks quite identical to OnePlus 7 Pro with vertical stacked triple camera, so we can see a slight fusion in OnePlus 8 of its predecessor's design. It is also quite obvious that OnePlus 8 will have a 90Hz display tech, which OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro comprised of, and the resolution of the OnePlus 8 may be similar to earlier devices. That is, we can expect a 1080p Fluid AMOLED panel. But still I would hope for a Quad HD panel, as in 2020 this will seem a bit outdated. Wireless charging has been one of the things from which the OnePlus users have been deprived of, and in order to satisfy the needs of its customer, OnePlus might introduce this exciting feature. Though we can't be sure about the changes, given the OnePlus has always launched expensive flagship devices but hasn't tried their hands at wireless charging. In its earlier devices like the OnePlus 7 Pro, the brand has fused the device with 3800 mAh battery, which was very impressive and had a battery backup of 18 hours. We can expect a battery of around 4000 mAh in OnePlus 8, which will be a good upgradation for the users. Now, camera is one of the priorities of modern tech freaks, and OnePlus 8 will be no exception. The OnePlus 7T comes with a brilliant triple camera setup, so we can at least expect the OnePlus 8 to come with a triple rear camera setup with improved portrait and landscape modes. With so much innovation in the display technology from its rival in the market like Oppo and Vivo, OnePlus has also decided to rope in with some innovation in their display technology. OnePlus's parent company Oppo has already introduced this feature of waterfall display, in which we had seen the new touchscreen in action. OnePlus 8 might also come up with the same feature, which will provide an exotic look to its edge with the waterfall effect. As far as the price of OnePlus 8 is concerned, we can expect that the device might come up with the identical price range as of its earlier devices, that is OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. Though it is not yet confirmed that what will be the price of this device, we can drive the price of OnePlus 8 by comparing the price range of its previous 2 devices. Now, OnePlus 7 cost around 499 to 549 euros, which varies on the model you buy, while the OnePlus 7 Pro range between 649 to 749 euros. With these 2 price range, we can expect that OnePlus 8 might come with a price range of 500 to 800 euros, assuming that the brand is launching multiple variants of the model. So, are you excited for the OnePlus 8? What other features you want to see in this upcoming device? Do let us know your wish list in